Why, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can head on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. These are pretty neat boxes. There's 7 different varieties inside. Let's crack it open and see what we got. Alright, so when you crack open one of these boxes, the first thing you'll notice is a little card. And the card has a code and a website, and you go there and it's got information about every single variety that's in this box. So I'm going to go do that and tell you a little about everything that's in here. So the first one we have is from Ace Cook, and this is Gomoshara Shibura Shoga Shoyu Ramen. So yeah, this is an interesting one. This month's box focuses on varieties that sumo wrestlers enjoy. They usually like larger portions, I guess, and this one is a Shoga Shibura Shoyu. I don't know exactly how Shoga translates, but like Beni Shoga, Kazami Shoga, that's all ginger. So it's going to be like a ginger soy sauce variety. And as you can see, there is a sachet on top. Next up, we've got an interesting one from NISSAN. This is their VFO Yakisoba Katsu Soba. So usually what I'm used to seeing are their UFO bowls. Those are identified flying objects. This one is VFO, and it says Victory Flying Object. So I'm guessing from the graphic here, this is another reference to sumo. So very cool. Next up, we've got another one from NISSAN. This is Suruhashi Fujitsuyakisoba. And this one looks particularly interesting. Moriaki Soba. I can't complain about Moriaki Soba. And once again from NISSAN, this is their Main Shokunin Miso. This is a premium line, and I don't know that I've had any of these that I disliked. Maybe the shio, but I'm pretty sure I probably like that one too to some degree. Yeah, the Men Shokunin are excellent. Here's the Yamada variety. This is Sugomen Hori Shio no Iten. Yeah, I don't see a lot of Yamada varieties come across my desk, so this is pretty cool. It's going to be a shio. Next up from Sapporo Ichiban, we've got Cupstar Hakata Mizutaki style ramen. Yeah, I really know nothing about this. Looks like it's got little meatballs in it, and also, I don't know if that's somebody from AKB48 or what's going on there, but definitely it's got a special celeb on top. And to round things out, we've got one from Miyojo. This is the Shigoku no Ippai Koku Ship Butter Ramen. Yeah, this one's got a sachet on top, and this line is pretty good stuff. It's butter though, and the butter so often just ends up being like movie theater butter to the extreme, but we'll see, we'll give it a try. Alright, so in this, the March 2022 Zenpop box called Sumo Slurp, you get something from Yamada, a big cup, people flavor, Yakisoba 1, Yakisoba 2, something buttery, nice premium variety, and your info card. So thanks to the folks over at Zenpop JP for sending this over. Yeah, if you want to get one, go to their website and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider and get a little discount. Alright, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.